Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a stationery holder in TinkerCad. Now it's super easy, you're going to get through it in no time. So what you need to do first is get a polygon and drag it into the work plane. I'm going to turn this yellow just to make it nice and bright. And what we do next is we need to change the measurements. So we click on the corner square over here and we'll just go 45 by 45. Beautiful. And enter. Whoops, that didn't go through. All right. And then the next step is to change the height. So we just click on this square here and we want to make that 80 millimeters. So 80, there we go, nice and tall. Now the next step is we want to grab another polygon. Now this one we want to do it as a hole and we need to make it a little smaller than this one and you'll see why in a moment. So what you want to do is change this one to 40 by 40. Oops. There we go. And then what we want to do is change the height to the same, so 80 millimeters. Beautiful. And then what we want to do is we want to take this off the work plane by 3 millimeters. So we just click on this black triangle here and we push it up by 3, 2 and 3. There it is. Beautiful. And then what we need to do, you'll see that Y in a moment for that one as well. What we need to do is create a hole in this polygon here, just so that we can make some room for the stationery to fit in. So how we do that is we highlight it, click, hold and drag. And we want to click on the align tool, which is this button over here. And then we've got these circles and we want to click on the middle circle. So we've got one here and we've got one down the end over here. There we go. And can you see how it's pushed it through the middle there? That's what we want, and we want to group it. Actually, before we group it, just make sure that if we go down the bottom, that it's not coming through, which is good. So that's why we raised it by 3 millimeters. So it's not pushing through, so it shouldn't, the hole shouldn't go straight through. Otherwise, our stationery will definitely tip over. So highlight that, and then we want to group it. Beautiful. And then if we look on the bottom, there we go, our base is there. Perfect. Now what we want to do, this is, to me it's the most fun step. So pop it to the side here, click on Alt, click, drag, and it basically duplicates it. And we want to attach it to the side there, beautiful. Alt, click, drag, we'll do it again. And 2 more times. Oh, you can make this as big as you want. I'm going to go Alt, click, drag. There we go, and attach it down there. And one more time, Alt, click, drag. And there we go. So this one, you're going to make sure that they're all attached there. And if you see that they are all the same size, and this can easily be changed, so let's just move it around. Yep, that all looks perfect. It's like a honeycomb stationery holder there. You can make these smaller, so if we push that down, if you want to change the design up a little bit, the top two can be a bit smaller. If you just want to put like rubbers and things like that in there, you definitely can. Or you can keep it the same size. Once you're happy with it, highlight the whole thing again and group it. And you are done. There we go. There is your very own stationery holder. If you do have a 3D printer, this will print off in no time. If you do want to check out more fun activities and things like that to do in TinkerCad, check out heckoration.com. We've got heaps of cool, fun stuff on there. Thanks for watching.